So for question number 32, we have to explain the meaning of overloading. So what is overloading? Overloading means when excessive current flows in the circuit. And there could be different reasons for this. So the definition of overloading means that excessive current flows through the wires. So we can write for the definition overloading. So overloading happens when an excessive excessive amount of electric current flows through wires. That is overloading. Okay. So this is overloading and list two possible causes. So possible causes. So list two possible causes. So I'm going to mention two causes for this. So this is exactly how you should answer this question. And two causes. When does this overloading happen? When the live wire come in contact with each other. This is possibly due to the melting of the insulation of line and the neutral wire. So line and neutral wire, they come in contact with each other. Each other. Okay, this could be the reason, and for this, the reason could be that the insulation of the wires melts because of the excessive use or because of the temperature. Or overloading also means that we are connecting too many appliances to a single socket. So connecting too many appliances or gadgets to a single socket, like if you connect a geyser or a room heater or any other device to a single socket. So the excessive current will flow in the socket, and if the socket has a lower fuse rating, that will melt the insulation of the wire, and then the live and the neutral wire will come in contact with each other. So, or the third reason could be the accidental hike in voltage supply. So, third could be accidental hike in supply voltage, and we know the supply voltage to our home is 220 volt. So somehow if it exceeds the greater than 220 volts, so that could be the possible reason for the overloading. Okay, now what could be the preventive measures? How do we prevent if this happens? What would be the preventive measures that we should use as a safety measures? And the first one is use wire properly. Thinking and property. Okay, now second would be do not connect too many appliances to a single socket. So the causes could be the preventive measures. Just mention that do not connect too many appliances to a single socket. Okay, and what could be the third preventive measure? We have to use the fuse. You fuse as a safety device. Use fuse as a safety device so that whenever the temperature increases due to excessive current, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit. So fuse as a safety device. So this is how exactly you should answer this question. And let's move on to the next one.